Hey everyone, have you ever noticed your car struggling to shift gears smoothly, or worse, getting stuck in a single gear? Imagine you're driving and suddenly, the check engine light turns on. You scan for trouble codes and find P0896 transmission component slipping. This means your transmission is slipping between shifts, which can cause power loss, overheating, and even transmission failure. Stick around because I'll show you the exact sensor locations, causes, and how to fix it. What is DTC P0896? DTC P0896 is triggered when the transmission control module, TCM, detects excessive slippage between gears. If the transmission isn't maintaining proper pressure or the clutch packs are wearing out, the system flags this error. Common symptoms of P0896: slipping gears, RPM increases but no acceleration, delayed or harsh shifting, transmission overheating, loss of power while driving, check engine light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location, mounted on the transmission valve body, near the shift solenoids. Measures hydraulic pressure in the transmission. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically near the transmission housing, but in some cars it's inside the engine bay fuse box or under the dashboard. Controls all shifting and pressure adjustments. Transmission input and output speed sensors. Input sensor, found near the front of the transmission, monitoring engine speed. Output sensor, found near the rear of the transmission, tracking wheel speed. Torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. Location, located inside the transmission, near the valve body. Controls the clutch engagement between the engine and transmission. Check your vehicle manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0896? Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Worn-out clutch packs or torque converter issues. Transmission control module, TCM, failure. Faulty shift solenoids affecting gear engagement. How to fix P0896. Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. If it's low or burnt, top it up or flush it. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. If faulty, replace it. Step 3. Test input and output speed sensors. A malfunctioning sensor can send incorrect data to the TCM. Step 4. Inspect the clutch packs and torque converter. If slipping, they might need replacement. Step 5. Reset or reprogram the transmission control module, TCM. Sometimes a software update fixes shifting problems. Final words. Ignoring P0896 can lead to severe transmission damage, costing thousands in repairs. Fix it early and keep your car shifting smoothly. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0658, actuator supply voltage circuit low. P0659, actuator supply voltage circuit high. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.